Hi, I'm Kiki Abel from New Zealand Sotheby's International Realty. It gives me great pleasure to introduce you to 86 Munroe Street, Napier South. The epitome of modern day style with the convenience of inner city living, this multiple dwelling has been rebuilt from the inside out, showcasing the curation of the finest craftsmanship. Exhibiting the simplicity and pragmatism of villa architecture, high ceilings, wide hallway and old world charm. Comprising 3 double bedrooms, the master also enjoys a stylish fully tiled ensuite. Open plan with lofty ceilings, full-length sliding doors give you a sense of indoors and out being one and the same. Adjoining, the studio is cleverly designed and generously spacious, offering endless possibilities, an airy 1-bedroom unit, AirBnB, business, broking, beauty therapy, and the list goes on. This beautiful, fully renovated villa is situated on an easy care section of 448 square metres. Merely footsteps to Central Napier and Marine Parade and just moments to McLean Park, this is a stunningly renovated offering with enormous and far-reaching appeal. To truly appreciate this stunning villa, call me today for your private viewing.